Alright, I'm going to do the cranial bone. First, the coronal suture. The coronal suture is this line right here. Then the sagittal suture is this line right here. Then the squamous suture is this line right here. Then the lambdoid suture is this one right here. This is the frontal bone, and this back here is the occipital bone. Let me go back. This is the foramen magnum. Foramen magnum. On the back, from the foramen magnum, these two are the occipital condyle. Right below the occipital condyle is the hypoglossal canal, which it's really hard to see. Right below the occipital condyle is the hypoglossal canal. These. Hypoglossal canal. Then we have the external occipital protuberance, which is in the back. This right here is the external occipital protuberance. Then the parietal bone are these bones right here. Parietal bone, parietal bone. Then the temporal bones are on the side. Temporal bone, temporal bone. Remember, this is the squamous suture. Then we have the zygomatic arch. This right here on both sides is a zygomatic arch. This is the temporal bone, and this is the zygomatic bone. Right here is the temporal process of the zygomatic bone. On the other side of the line is the zygomatic process of the temporal bone. And this right here is the zygomatic arch.
Which one is
The mandibular fossa is right here. These holes behind the jaw. Mandibular fossa. Then we have the external acoustic meatus on right here.
That's the process? I thought something that would be
External acoustic meatus. Then the mastoid process is right here. Mastoid process,
I mean, it makes sense.
styloid
It's
process.
so I don't know what to think of that.
Mastoid process, styloid process. Mastoid, styloid. Then we have the internal acoustic meatus, which we can see from the inside.
So wait, the Palatine.
I believe is right here. Internal acoustic meatus.
I know, what page is that?
Internal acoustic meatus. Then we have the jugular foramen. The jugular foramen is right here by the styloid process. Jugular foramen. And then the jugular foramen. The jugular foramen. Then we have the carotid canal. It's right here. Carotid canal. No, just kidding. Just kidding. You can't see from there. That's not the carotid canal. This right here is the carotid canal, right here. Carotid canal, carotid canal. And that's it for the first part of the facial bone.